In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate landscape images with Grok AI. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up Grok for wide, cinematic scenes and writing prompts that bring your ideas to life. Start by opening your browser and going to grok.com. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're on the main dashboard. What we want is the Creative Image tool, so look for the Imagine option. Click Imagine to open the workspace dedicated to generating visuals from text. This is where you'll shape the look and feel of your landscape. Before you write anything, set the canvas to match a classic landscape format. Find the aspect ratio control, then choose 16.9. This widescreen ratio is ideal for sweeping vistas, desktop wallpapers, and video backdrops because it emphasizes horizontal space. If you're aiming for a panoramic feel, 16.9 will help your composition breathe, giving you room for a strong foreground, a clear horizon line, and dramatic skies. If the control looks slightly different on your screen, just look for an option labeled Ratio, Size, or Canvas, then select 16.9 from the choices. Now you're ready to craft the prompt. In the prompt field, describe the scene you want with clear visual language. Start with the subject and setting, then add mood, time of day, lighting, and style. For example, specify elements like rugged coastal cliffs, alpine lakes, or desert dunes. Add atmospheres such as golden hour light, misty morning haze, or stormy clouds. To guide composition, you can mention foreground rocks or wildflowers, a midground river, and distant mountains. If you like a photographic look, include terms like wide angle, ultra detailed textures, natural color grading, and high dynamic range. For painterly results, notice style like impressionist brushwork or watercolor wash, but keep it consistent. Avoid mixing conflicting styles in the same prompt. Use short, descriptive phrases separated by commas. Be precise and avoid contradictions like bright noon sun with long twilight shadows. If you care about color, name it. Emerald pine forests, sapphire water, amber sunlight. If you want motion, suggest it subtly, like wind-rippled grass or waves crashing against dark basalt. When in doubt, think of three anchors: location, light, and lens. Where are we, how is it lit, and how wide is the view? Once your aspect ratio is set to 16.9 and your prompt clearly describes the landscape, you're all set. Grok will interpret your instructions and produce a wide, cinematic scene that matches your vision. Refine your wording as needed until the results align with what you imagined.